It's Sunday again and I'm with my outdoor videos, and today I want to talk about simplicity. Many years ago I had a customer who told me that I want your application to do many things that it does, but one thing that I want to do is that it will do it with a single button. So I want to have a single button on the top of application. One click, it does everything I want. Back 20 years ago, I thought that this is a kind of dream. We do complex engineering applications with many features, with many options, with many buttons. But 20 years later, it doesn't sound like a very strange idea. We've been working at OpenBOM with one big vision to simplify processes where it's possible. And it's all started from the fact that with SaaS applications like OpenBOM, you don't need to install anything. You need to click on the button, you need to register, and you get your account. But then we move forward and we realize that we would like to have the most sophisticated and the most flexible data model that we actually created. And this is why people like Excel. It's very flexible, you can do anything. But at the same time, what people really want in many situations is that application will hide the complexity. So think about creating bill of materials from sophisticated design from the CAD model. There are many things that you want to be happening automatically and seamlessly. And this is a complex task because the diversity of options and diversity of settings in design applications and engineering applications, it's pretty high. We worked with thousands of users and customers at OpenBOM to create a simple process that allows to generate data out of CAD systems and create an initial bill of materials with all related and connected information. But it's like not a simple word, related informations, because it's also about how to take into account many options that you can consider in design. Like you have configurations, you have purchased assemblies, you have different hidden parts, you have different hidden, there are a lot of informations, and each CAD system is different in some ways. So what we created is the mechanism that allows us to make this first step seamless and simple. So later this month we will introduce one of our newest enhancements in our CAD integrations, one-click bill of materials button, which will allows you to create everything you need for the first step just from one click. So many other settings will be still available in OpenBOM, but the one click will be first that you will be able to make to start your journey with OpenBOM. It will create items, it will create bill of materials, it will connect them together, it will give you bill of materials in front of you with images and everything you need. And again, that was my 20 years journey into one button applications. You can smile, but in my honest opinion and belief, the simplicity always wins. So that was Oleg with my Sunday video, and I look forward to talk to you later, coming week. And today, have a lovely weekend and enjoy this great summer weather. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.